Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop loss order in place.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from all around the world. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Did you feel the love today? I did. Nice, we caught that one. Just like I said, stay with me, we'll catch them. Fundamental shift. Remember, I said that. I said it yesterday. We also did it in a couple of other videos. The 12th and the 31st of this month, if you go back and take a quick look, you'll see what I'm talking about when I mentioned the fundamental shift and technicals versus analytics, technicals versus fundamentals. And what I will tell you is this Sunday, I'm going to do a little bit of a video, and it's going to be about technicals versus fundamentals. It'll be I want to answer a couple of questions. Chris, I have your mirror image questions. I certainly will get to them as well. I'll put that on the video. So I might have a bit of an informative video for you this weekend. We'll see how it goes. I'll try to get my best. Hello from Australia, Belgium, and Ireland. Hey, you guys, thank you so much for getting in touch with me. I can't believe I got fans in all these places. This is great. I will do my best to help you guys put on some winning trades. We're going to talk about S&P. We're going to talk about NASDAQ. We're going to talk about silver. Today we did really well. We talked about getting long around 1430 to 1429. The low was 1429. We bought them at 1430 and a half. Boom, the market took off to 1446. Nice trade. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. I tip my hat for you guys sticking with me. You called back and told me you stayed with the trade. In fact, for you traders that are holding your S&P tonight, keep your stop in at 1337. I have another trade set up for tomorrow with a different stop, but you have to be able to look at this logically. You have one trade with a certain amount of profit. We have a stop at 1337, a sell stop. If that gets hit, take your profit on that trade and be done. Don't try to chase a profit into a loser. It happens all the time. Today's trade, if you take that, you got to look at them as two separate trades. One of them you're buying at a certain area. It's going to be 1439 and a half. And you're going to have a sell stop at 1433 if you're brave enough to play it again. But don't mix that up with the trade that you already have on. Don't put a 1433 stop on a trade that we bought at 1430 and got all the way to 46. That would be sad. You'd be giving back some of those hard-earned profits. With that in mind, come on, let's see if we can make some more money tomorrow. It's been good so far. March S&P, we're going to buy at 1439 and a half, 1438 and a half. We're going to look to place a sell stop at 1433 on a stop. Under 33 negates my bullish posture for tomorrow. Take profit between 1453 and 1455 or be out by the close. Don't forget, you're going to buy 39 and a half to 38 and a half. You're going to place a stop at 1433 for protection and look for 1453 to 1455 to get out on a run-up. It's never, ever too soon to take a profit. So forget about waiting for 53. If you get in at 39 and a half and you want to get out at 40 and a half, take it and run. I'll certainly flash update you when it's time for me to get out, but it's never, ever, ever too soon to take a profit. So that takes care of what we're looking for in the E-mini for tomorrow. NASDAQ, I got another buy. The OMNI indicator says green light, we're going up. OMNI says we're going up today. Let's see what happens. Green indicator. We're going to buy March NASDAQ 1795 to 1793. We're going to place a sell stop at 1782 or lower in case we're wrong. We're not going to risk too much. Profit objective is 1828 to 1830 on the upside. Could be a nice trade. Now you may want to pick them. Pick one of the two indices to trade. That's up to you. I'm going to have orders in both. If I get hit, I get hit in both. That's the problem with taking two trades in the same sector on the same day. Like if I had a silver and a gold trade, and you take them both. If they're both good, hooray. But if they're both bad, you know what I mean? You'd bet on two. So think about what you want to do here. If you want to take NASDAQ and the E-mini S&P, that's up to you. So we have the E-mini S&P, we have the NASDAQ. Let's look at the silver. Now these are all for trade date Thursday, 20107. Welcome to February. We're going to make some money this month, I assure you. We're looking to sell much silver. I'm buying much silver. 1342 to 1340 on a pullback. Right now we're trading up at like 1360. Nice pullback before I bother getting long that market. Put a sell stop in at 1331 in case we're wrong. Profit objective is 1387 to 1393. There's a fat little area right there for you to get out if we get the run. Be out by the close in all three of these markets. Important to be out by the close. Now, I must say, there's been a lot of questions from a lot of traders. Oh, great questions, by the way. The feedback's been great. Thank you guys so much. Questions, though, a lot about whether I want to take stops, where am I placing my stops, how am I getting my stops, what should I do. So we will try to address a lot of that over the weekend. A couple of things that came to my attention. A lot of my videos now are being found on VO.com and a few other video posting sites. But I have to tell you, you have to beware of untimely postings. I give you these recommendations before the markets open for the next day on YouTube at youtube.com/futures analysts. If you go there you can subscribe to my videos. You can't just go onto the YouTube site itself and find me. That's a bit hard. If you type in futures analysts or short-term trading live with Oscar and hit search, you may find me, but a lot of people have trouble with that. So you go to youtube.com/futures analysts. There you can hit my channel and you can subscribe there. Flash updates, as you know, are extremely important. Don't forget, subscribe to me. Get back to me with your email address. You can email me, that's my web. You can email me at futuresanalysts@gmail.com. You give me your email address, I'll get you on the flash updates list. If you want, you can call me at 718-351-2266. We'll put you on the list there. Am I covering everything? I'd say we got these three markets there, definitely for Thursday. I think we're going to have a good day. Bonds, remember we talked about bonds on the 29th of this month. A couple of days ago, I said bonds hit a 200-day moving average, and they should pop out of here to about 110.17. We were trading in the 109s. As of today, we got 110.10. I think tonight we'll do a run to 110.17, maybe 110.20. That was based on my talk about a fundamental shift. We got it in the metals, we got it in S&P, we got it in bonds, so it's working. It's not like I knew what report was coming out or where. I saw it in the charts. We will get to that this weekend. I should have a nice video. I'll think about it a lot for you guys. So that's about it. Good luck trading. Stay with the flash updates. Keep your stops in. Don't ever let anybody talk you out of canceling your stops unless you got a sound reason for changing your stops. Stick to your plan. Stay in there every day. Keep your powder dry when you start running into losing streaks. And I think we're going to get through this. Good luck, traders. I'll see you tomorrow.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.